In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use SVG images with Elementor. SVGs are lightweight, scalable graphics that stay crisp and clear at any size, which makes them perfect for icons and simple illustrations on your website. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple, free way to get an SVG file, then how to upload it and customize it inside the Elementor page builder. To start, you can create or obtain custom SVG images in several ways. Some people design them in tools like vector editors, others generate them with code, or use plugins that include icon sets. In this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and focus on downloading a free SVG icon from a public library. Open your browser and go to a free SVG site, for example svgrepo.com. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look for an icon you like. You can type in a keyword that matches the idea or style you're going for, then browse through the results until something fits your design. When you find an icon you like, click on it to open its detail page. Here, you'll see a larger preview so you can double check it looks good. Hover over the download options, look for the one that says Download SVG Vector, and make sure you select the SVG format. When you click that, the file will download directly to your computer, usually into your Downloads folder, unless you've changed that setting. Next, open any page in the Elementor editor where you want to use this icon. Once the page loads, look at the left-hand panel. You'll see a list of widgets you can add to your layout. Find the icon widget, then drag and drop it into the section where you want your SVG to appear. By default, Elementor will place a standard star icon in that spot. With the icon widget selected, look back to the left panel where you see the icon settings. Hover over the existing icon field and click the option to upload an SVG. A pop-up window will appear. Click Select Files. This opens your computer's file browser. Navigate to the folder where your SVG was downloaded, select the file and click Open or press Enter. Elementor will upload the SVG into your media library. Once it finishes loading, click Insert Media in the bottom right of the pop-up. Your custom SVG will now replace the default icon on the page. If you want to style the icon further, switch over to the Style tab for that widget. Here, you can adjust its alignment so it sits left, center, or right within its column. You can change the color to match your brand, resize it so it's subtle or bold, and even rotate it slightly to add a bit of personality. Take a moment to experiment with these options until your icon fits seamlessly into your design.